Now, one slight problem here, I've forgotten going back one, obviously inside of the shipping class, our get shipping by type zone method from shipping table. I've forgotten to put this back single quote here. So if you have also forgotten this, obviously make sure that it's there. Now, if we go back to our browser and scroll down to our plugin folder inside of the admin directory, we're going to create a new file called shipping cost -cost.php. This is the one which we are actually using inside of the list.php file. If I scroll down here, you can see that we are getting this plugin, obviously passing the rows, shipping rows, and the object URL. So if you open the shipping cost and we start with the opening PHP tag, checking if is an empty data rows, then closing and else statement. Inside of the else statement, we're going to we're going to display basically a paragraph. There are currently no records, let's say, associated with this shipping type. And in between the if statements, inside of the if statement, we're going to start with the table. Again, cell padding equals 0, cell spacing 0 as well, border 0, and class tbl_repeat. Now we're going for the first table row, which will store our headings. Class will be call_1 and ta_r to align obviously text to the right. And I'm just going to copy this line, paste it underneath, so that we've got 4 items. Then we have 2 with exactly same classes. Then the third one will not have the call_1 class. Then there is a coast, and the last one is remove. Then we have another table row. The only thing is we start with a t-body. Inside of this t-body, we're going to create the for each loop. And we go for data rows as item. And inside of the loop, we start with the tr_id equals row hyphen, and we go for echo item ID. And then we close this tr tag. In between opening and closing tr tag, we start with td class ta_r to align the text to the right again, and then echo. We're going to round item weight _from, and we round into 2 decimal places. Now if I copy this table cell, paste it underneath, this time it's just going to be a weight, also rounded. If we scroll down a tiny bit, and if I copy this again, paste it underneath, this time we have item cost, but rather than round, we're going to use a number_format function, also 2 decimal places, and we proceeded with the currency symbol. In my case, it's pound. And then the last item, I paste the same way as previously. I'm going to remove this PHP here, and we start with the A tag, and the attributes href, it's just the hash symbol. Then we go for class, click, add, row, confirm. Then we go for data URL, which will be echo object, data, because we're inside of the plugin, object URL, get current, and we go for array. Actually, there's a single value. It's only call that we're replacing, so we can just, so we don't need to put it inside of the array. Then false for the extension. We don't want the extension, and then array, what we want to append to this current existing URL, call, which will be remove, and the RID, which will be item ID. And I think that's everything for this data URL. And then we have data span, which was 4. We have 4 columns. And then we can close this A tag, simply remove in between the opening and closing A tag. And that's our shipping cost.php completed.